So, are you done with your project?
Mm-hmm. I defended 3 weeks ago.
Mm-hmm. Wow, that's good. So how was it?
It went well.
I know what you can do. I trust you. Because I really missed you.
Are you sure?
Of course, I'm sure.
I mean, all these secondary school girls, they are not making passes at you.
Come on. You know me. And there is no point defending myself. You know what I can do.
That's true, I know you. And I missed you too.
I have a surprise for you.
A surprise? What is it?
Please, can you close your eyes?
I close my eyes?
Yes.
Right now?
Right now, please.
Please, what are you even up to?
Just go ahead and close your eyes, please. Close your eyes.
My eyes are closed. I really don't know what you have up your sleeve.
Oh my God. Cassie, I've been waiting for a precious moment like this to pop up this big question to you. And you know very soon we'll be done with everything about school. Would you marry me?
Yes. Yes. Yes, I'll marry you, yes.
Thank you.
I love it.
You love it? Thank you very much. Thank you.
Good evening. Have you slept?
Oh yes, how are you?
I'm fine. Sorry I disturbed your sleep.
It's okay, it's okay.
I can't seem to find sleep.
Yeah. Worried? Why? Why are you worried? What's the matter? Hello?
Hello. I'm here.
Please talk to me. What is the problem?
Collins, I think I'm pregnant. I have not seen my period for 2 months now.
Jesus. You're pregnant? Are you serious?
Hello?
Hello. I can't hear you.
Hello?
There is no light. Jesus Christ. Did she say pregnant? Pregnant. Pregnant. Shit. I wonder why Cassandra has refused to take my call since morning. My God, what is happening? What is happening?
Papa Collins.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. How are you?
I'm very fine.
I learned to be leaving in 2 weeks' time.
Yes, that's true.
That's great. I would like to see you in my office. I would want to have a word with you in my office, okay? Before you go to your lodge this afternoon.
Okay. Honey, why are you not picking my call? Why are you rejecting my calls? Please talk to me.
I called you here to have a word with you. You see, it gives me joy to see young men who are intelligent and responsible. I have really observed you since you came to this place. I must say, you impressed me with your services here.
Thank you very much, ma.
Let me not waste much of your time. I have something for you and I know you will not let me down.
Okay, ma. I will not let you down.
Okay, do you have an international passport?
Oh, no, not yet.
Okay, no problem. I will give you some money now to start processing it. I know you'll be wondering why I'm saying all this.
Yes, ma, I do.
My eldest son lives in London and he has an establishment over there. He needs a young learned man who can help him run the place. So I recommended you.
Ma?
I recommended you. You're a good man.
Take your call. Take your call. Take your call. Jesus. Just pick up. I need you to pick up now. I need you to pick. Please, pick. Pick up. Oh, not again. Not again, please. Just pick. Just pick. What has come over her? What has come over you? Oh my God. What am I going to do now? What do I do? What do I do now? Wonderful opportunity. I thank you for this. I think I have to hurry before the office is closed. I think I have to hurry. Baby, please pick up your call. Pick up your call, please. Pick up your call.
That is good. I will send this to my son at Lagos to start the processing of your visa. Then when he comes back here, I will take you to his place for formal introduction.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you informed your people about this?
Yes, ma'am. I have done that already.
Okay. So you will have to start preparing, okay? Because my son won't be staying much longer by the time he comes here and go back. He will take you to London with him.
Ma, I don't know how to express how grateful I am.
No problem.
I am short of words. Thank you very much.
It's okay. You can go now.
Thank you very much, ma. May God continue to bless you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Take care of yourself.
So by this time next week, I'll be out of this country. And I've not spoken to Cassandra. God. Never lost it. Only when I can communicate at rules and laws. What do I do? From her before I traveled to London. And since I came back, I've been so desperate to know her whereabouts.
Colin.
Yes, Papa.
We have had this story related to us. One thing I want to say about this, only one thing. This girl you're talking of is now married. He's gotten married to another man. I would advise you to let her be. She's now some other person's wife, somebody else's wife, another person's property, whether you like it or not.
Yes, my son. Let her be. Please, let her be. I told you that I have someone I want you to get married to. Somebody from a reputable family. A nice home. A good girl. With a very good behavior. My son, her name is Favor. Marry Favor. Leave whatever you call her name. Please.
Collins, you are now a very rich man. A very rich man. And you can marry any girl you want. Anyone.
Papa!
Yes.
Witches have nothing to do with this. I am not just worried because Cassandra is married to a man who attempted to rape her years ago. I am also worried because she has my son.
What?
Your son?
Yes, my son.
Son?
Your son, Collins. Are you sure?
The boy she has is my son.
What?
Are you sure? So the both of you should know the reason why I am worried and troubled.
Cassandra, what do you have to say about the young man who came here in the morning?
Your Highness, to be truthful to you, I honestly do not know how he got to this place.
How then do you explain his getting to know that you're here?
Well,
Father, she told him.
Keep quiet, Francis.
I don't know. May the gods take my life if what he's accusing me of is true.
You liar. Bloody liar!
Francis. Listen, both of you. I don't want to hear anything concerning this matter again in this palace, do I make myself clear? Cassandra, ensure that that young man does not get anywhere near this palace again. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Good. Both of you, you may leave.
The only person that could have told Collins my whereabouts is Tina. But how can that be? How possible is it even, given that neither Collins nor Tina have seen each other in a long time? Who is behind this?
My son has told me everything. So we had the gods to direct your ex-boyfriend to this palace.
My queen, is not true. I assure you.
An animal that searches for food in the night might not know that its footprints will be seen at daybreak. I know you will deny it. It's all right.
No man enters the evil forest and comes back alive. It is very dangerous for you to claim someone's child. It is dangerous.
Mama, there is no need to panic. You don't have to. I will observe every due process to find out the true paternity of that boy. I will.
Collins, Bikon. Eh? Bikon, I'm begging you. Do you want me to call my niece to beg you? Eh? Please, forget everything concerning that girl. I am very sure you don't even know how wicked that king is. That king is very wicked. And he will not allow you to cause anarchy in his kingdom. He will not. That I am very sure of.
I am not afraid of him one bit. I am not afraid of him. I am only concerned about my son. My blood.
I am yet to understand what makes you feel you are the father of a child. You cannot even give account of how he was conceived. I can't understand this.
Mama, don't worry. This case is simple and I can handle it. You don't have to worry. I know what I'm doing.
See, Collins, I didn't know how to break the news to you. That's why I didn't tell you.
I felt betrayed, Tina. I never knew Cassandra could do such a thing to me. I never believed it.
Collins, you don't have to blame her. She felt so betrayed and abandoned after she tried many times to contact you when she had that problem. You don't have to blame her.
And is that enough reason for her to jump into marriage with a man who nearly took my life because of her? A man who nearly raped her! Damn! This is incredible! I can't believe it!
She tried contacting you several... So it's true. So I'm right after all. Tina, I thought you were my friend. So it is you. It's you who's been feeding him all that nonsense about me. What was in it for you? What? You thought you could gain your way into his heart? You know what you are, Tina? You are nothing. Nothing but a traitor.
Oh no, she is not! She is not a traitor. You are the worst traitor I've ever seen. How dare you betray me?
Huh? Betray you? Look who is talking about betrayal. You that abandoned me when I needed you the most? Between you and I, Collins, who is the betrayer? Who?
You, Cassandra. You betrayed me! Or is it because he's a prince? Is it because he's a prince?
Don't be silly, Collins. You forced me into that marriage. Does he even have an inkling what I went through because of him? Does he?
Cassandra, you slapped me.
And I would do it 1,000 times over if I have to. Nonsense. And as for you, you and I, we are done. Done! Stay out of my path.
Cassandra! I am coming for my son. I am coming.
Your Highness. Any person who insists on watching the dark side of the Dikeh must be ready to waste no water in the house. I suggest we withdraw our youth from our Ogwetiti to avoid further loss of life.
Your Highness, if I withdraw my youths, are you guaranteeing that there will be no further loss of lives? Are you?
Dialogue, Your Highness. Dialogue. I suggest we employ the use of dialogue to settle this dispute. There's nothing dialogue cannot bring. Let's use dialogue, Your Highness.
Dialogue! Dialogue! I call this a dialogue. Do you know the man we are talking about? Do you know him? Do you understand him? I know the man we are talking about. Omekago is a man that would want to keep that land. He will not let go of that land. And you are here advising dialogue. What kind of advice are you? Dialogue. Dialogue, my fool.
Your Highness.
Dialogue.
Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. There's nothing peace cannot bring. Yes. I was about going, I'm just adding here as usual. Just going, all of a sudden you are here. Omekago. How to Obaje? Ochendo one of Aboj. I hear you. It is done. Yes. Otto Obaje. The only man that is unchallengeable. When a strong man decides to eat pan nut, the testimony of Kane Heat is normal. Oh yes, normal evidence for every eye to see. Yes. Oh yes. Omekago of Umetiti.
Do you know that you are the greatest friend I ever had? Omekago. Time has come time has come for us to stop that battle both of us started. After all, we have attained our target. And, Omega, we have spilled enough blood for the great one. Don't you think so? No. What? I was thinking the same. In fact, it took words out of my mouth. Oh, yes. We shall meet tomorrow night at the temple. Oh, yes. We have to solidify our sacrifice. I can't wait to be promoted to the higher level in our brotherhood. Omega. Omega. We shall see tomorrow. We shall see tomorrow. We shall see tomorrow. Tomorrow.
He really said that to you. Is that not madness? How does he think it's going to be possible? And you, what do you tell him?
I didn't tell him anything.
You mean you said nothing to a man who said he was coming here to claim his son?
Francis, exactly what would you have rather have me tell him?
And you're asking me? And you listen to me, let me tell you this. If anything happens to my son, I repeat, if anything happens to my son, I will hold you responsible and you will go in for it.
What have I done to you, Francis? Why are you breaking my heart?
And why are you planning to ruin my life by bringing that guy into our marriage? Why?
I already told you how he got to this place.
And you are part of that arrangement, so don't deny it. Get out of my sight. I said get out of my sight!
What is going on here?
Mom, she started it. She started it. Tell her to stay away. Because by the time I'm done with her, Mom, by the time I am done with her, she will know exactly who she's married to. Bastard.
Thank God you are getting better. You will be discharged today.
Thank you, doctor. I appreciate you for all your care. Thank you.
Always remember to come for your checkups. And don't be too hard on yourself when you get home.
Okay. Thank you.
I might just try this again.
What is it?
Take a look.
Oh my God! What?
What's wrong with that psycho? Huh? I thought he has gone his way.
Oh my God. And what's the matter?
Come take a look at this.
What?
How did this letter get into this palace?
I don't know. Jonah gave it to me in the morning.
God. Has your father seen this?
Papa, I have made the necessary arrangement for this case. And I am ready. So please, I want you all to calm down. I want you all to calm down. Don't let your heart trouble you, please.
Thank you, Collins. But I'm bothered about one thing. One thing.
And what is it, Papa?
What is the evidence to prove that that boy is a biological son? That boy is a biological son? Evidence.
Papa, don't bother yourself about that. When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it.
Collins, I still insist that you withdraw this case. Withdraw this case. I don't want anything to happen to you. Please.
Mama, nothing is going to happen to me. Nothing will happen. I am covered by the law.
I am not comfortable with this. I am not comfortable with this. I'm not happy. Oh.
Mama, please. Just calm down. Everything will be fine, okay?
Well, I think I have to go to bed now.
Okay, Papa. Good night.
I still insist you withdraw this case from the cause.
Don't push me down.
Has your wife seen this letter?
Yes, Father.
I want her here now.
Your Highness.
Cassandra, I hear you have seen this before.
Yes, Your Highness.
What do you think?
I don't understand it.
What do you mean you don't understand? Don't you understand what's written here?
I do.
Go. Think about it and come back in 2 hours' time.
Yes, Your Highness.
day, sir. Okay. Someone gave me this letter outside the gate, sir.
Okay, let me have it. Inviting me to his palace. Okay. I'll go.
I am not a fool, son. I have a reason for sending him that letter.
Father, he will not honor your invitation. Shouldn't have gone to that extent. You just created the impression that we are begging him.
That boy is too small for me to handle. I'm doing all this for you, son. And you must let me handle this matter the way I want.
You are not going anywhere. Collins, I repeat, you are not going anywhere. What is it? Do you want to kill me?
Look, Collins, you know we are not happy with you for going further with this case. We are not happy that you are still pursuing that case, Collins. And the people of Aboji Kingdom are still not happy with us over that battle in which many of their youths were killed. They are not happy.
Papa, the two kings have settled their differences. They have settled their differences. Oh, was it not last week? Last week, that a man from Aboji came to marry a girl from this village. Was it not last week?
Look, Collins, you have to be very, very careful. You have to be very, very careful. Igwe Ochendo is not a good man. He's evil. As your father, I'm advising you to think twice before you take any decision. Always think twice before you take any decision. Collins, think twice.
Okay. My son, please. My son, please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Please listen to what we have to do. Please listen. Listen to us. Listen to
Mama,
us.
please get up, get up, get up. Mama, get up, get up.
Please, my son. Listen to what we have told you, please. Begging you. Forget about this matter. Forget about it. Even forget about the boy. It's your life we are talking about here. God will bless you with many more children. I believe that. Please.
Mama, I know. I know. Mama, look at me. Look at me. It's not as if I want to disobey you and Papa. Mama, I am only fighting for what is mine. I am fighting for my right. Okay, what if the boy is my blood?
It's the same thing I'm saying. It's the same thing we have been talking here. What I'm saying is, forget him. Even if it's your blood, forget him. God will give you many more children. What is it? Can't you just understand
Mama,
this?
nothing will happen to me, please.
I don't have another one. I don't have any other son. I don't want to lose you. 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 I'm telling you now, I don't want to lose you.
Where is Francis? Hope you sent for him.
He's coming. Your Highness, is Cassandra aware of this arrangement?
No. I don't want her to know anything about it.
Good day, Your Highness.
Collins?
Oh, yes.
You're welcome. Collins, you're welcome. It's good you're here. I had to send for you so that we all can sit and sort out this issue amicably. All right? Right. So, where are you from?
I'm from Umetiti, Your Highness.
Ah! There you go. Yes. I see. Umetiti. You know, your Igwe Omekago and I are good friends. Oh, Igwe Omekago. In fact, that's why we were able to sort out that land dispute in such a record time. Yes, but that's by the way. You're here today, and we are looking forward to your becoming a good friend of this royal family. And I hope you appreciate that.
Your Highness, what is good is good.
Beautiful. Yes. Now then, Collins, I want you to put in the past whatever that happened between you and my son here. Sweep everything into the past. I'm going to give you a check of 5 million naira so that we forget everything about that issue. And anything you are holding against my son, you have to withdraw. Okay?
Your Highness, are you paying me off to forget my son?
And who is your son? Huh? Who is your son? Father, I told you not to bring this bastard here. Who is your son? Tell me!
Francis. Francis!
Father.
Sit down. See, my son. I'm not a fool to have invited you over. You see, I'm just trying to extend the olive branch to you. All I want is peace. Right? So, I give you the 5 million naira and we forget about that matter. I don't even want to know who is right or who is wrong.
Very well then. Thank you very much, Your Highness. But I'm sorry to disappoint you. I will not be able to accept the money. Francis, see you in court.
Father, you see it. Huh? Imagine what you just did to yourself. You just assaulted yourself. Huh? Did you see it? I told you not
But now I have Francis to bother me. Francis frequents this house. He swoops in and out at will. Why? Because my parents have taken a liking to him.
Do you blame your parents? You don't have to blame them. My dear, I myself am so impressed. I mean, look, the Francis I knew way back in school, rugged Francis. I'm so impressed at a sudden turnaround, his good exhibition of character. I'm impressed. And he even said he's a prince.
Here. So?
Sit down. Francis. Good to see you. How are you?
See you. Hey. Francis, you're already here?
Yes, I am here.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you, Mr. Ruben. How are you today?
I'm fine, my son.
I have some goodies for you. Boys, bring down everything from the trunk. Everything. Hand them over to Mr. Ruben.